So right after this, wherever you want to go, you're free to go. We have all three options available. The fireworks, the open bar, and dinner. And don't forget, right after dinner, we have a live band, Sunny Jada's band, performing for us right here, right after the dinner. So, picture abhi baki hai, party abna baki hai. So please, dinner pachi તમે અહીંયા ફરીથી આવી જાઓ. Once each one of you have the trophies, we're going to pose for the camera and capture the moment. Diwali 2025 UNA Samaj. All the kids, everyone who has performed, once you have the trophy, we're going to take a quick picture.